Well, I started college in August of 2016, and he followed in the spring of 2017. And
I didn't want to graduate by myself. There was no reason for me to walk the stage. I'm not one of those types just to walk the stage, but when this came about, this is a grand opportunity, an opportunity of a lifetime. So
he had called me one day, and he told me that he wanted to graduate with me. Me and my dad have always been close. Growing up, we were fishing buddies, and so to end this journey with him, it's definitely going to be remarkable.